Hey everyone, in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to cancel your Now TV membership or free trial in just a couple minutes. So first, simply open your browser and sign into your Now TV account. So once you're logged in, you then have to click on My Account and head over to Memberships. So from there, you'll then be able to see all your active passes. So simply find the one you want to cancel and click Cancel Membership. Then simply follow the on-screen steps to confirm. So you also have to make sure that you go all the way through until you see the cancellation confirmation. But if you're on a free trial, cancelling before the trial ends will stop any charges, but you'll still have access until the trial period finishes. So after that, your membership will automatically end. And that's it. So that's how to cancel a membership on Now TV. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.